What's up, guys? Today we're going to be putting halos in the lights and the turn back switches. We're just waiting on Up to get here. Once Up gets home, then we're about to start tearing it apart. I already got one down, which is right there, with the halos. About to retrofit some stuff in here. Once we get here and start getting to the nitty gritty, I will have you guys ready. I'm going to be posting pictures to my Instagram. Look up 1991 Accord or Upscale Motors on Instagram. We're going to have it. But here she is. She's about to get the halos, the turn back switches, and also that's pretty much it. We're going to wire it in. We'll probably end up wiring in the halos to the side markers, or we're going to wire them to a switch, which it may be better if we wire them to a switch. Nay, yay, or nay. But we're going to get that and get it going. So as soon as he gets here, we'll make it happen. Alright, guys. Got the front bumper off. Got the right headlight out. Is out. Taking out this one now. Alright. So that one, and then you got these two tins down here. So that one, and then that one. That one there. Take that out. And once I pull this one out, then the headlight will drop. And don't forget about these two bolts up here. With the grill, make sure you press this little pin so you can pop that out, and it'll come out. I'll let you know once I get it out. Alright, guys, so for copyright reasons, we got music playing in the background as we're working on it, but me and my uncle just installed these halos. So how do they look on the, got running the wire on it, have it all set up. Got her out here. Got her out here looking like that right now. So once she's in there, gonna wire them up and show you how they look. Yeah, we're going to get her done. So there she is again. So these halos have been fitted to fit in here. So what he did is he cut the top here and made them fit, and the bottom of the light with the dribble, and we made them basically retrofit to look like this. We heated it up, pried it open, and did that. The next thing will be putting the turn back switch in and then running the wires for that as well. So we're going to do this. I'll hit you guys back once we got the turn back switch in and the other lights. It's the next day here. I was unfortunately it got real late, so I wasn't able to record the rest of it, and also the phone died. But here's the finished product. So me and my uncle installed the halos and turn back switch. That's what they look like. They look pretty nice if you ask me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on for you guys so you can see how they are. Alright, let's go on in. So, lights on. That's what she looks like, y'all.